Okay, we have reached the last part of the tutorial, Angular 1.5 components. And in this one, obviously, we finished the whole project. And at the end, well, we also get into debugging. We run into a couple of problems that I get really mad at. But in the end, you know, we show off the project and it's all good. So, let's get back to the tutorial and finish this whole thing up. Right, so here is the problem. This thing right here. This is what happens when you copy code and when someone forgets to put it in their document. So the whole problem can't talk, I'm so tired. But the whole problem is we have this goats list which gets VM.goats list, right? Which gets it from the controller. Now, by default, the controller you would usually do something like this. So this says, okay, I'm using the controller from the goats list controller, voila, you know, use that. But we are using VM. Something that's used, the same thing that's used in the goats list in the upper thing. Something that's used in here as well. So if you look here, you see it's VM. And the problem is, in the goats listing, it's not there. See, it's just a controller. And that's the problem. I was like testing it. I was like trying to figure out where is the data being lost, and it was just being lost here because the controller as was not set. God damn it. Oh well, at least we figured it out, so that's good. Okay. Yeah, see? Now it works. Now it works perfectly. Let's go. Now, yes, this whole hi, I'm a goat, this is a goat, hi, this is a goat. This was me testing it out to make sure that it works. And I'm just gonna comment all this stuff out that I don't need. HTML, I don't need this stuff right here. Blah, blah, blah. I don't need this stuff as well. Cool. I don't need this. We can put it this in. This HTML. See, I was testing it out to make sure it works. There we go. Boom. Same thing with here. I think I did not modify anything in here, so we're good here. But man, seriously, come on. Oh, it's still not working. God damn it, mother. Okay, let's try this again. Alright, the data is being passed in here. So we have in the goats list item, it's in there. VM.goats. Okay, NGRP goat list item goats. We have this.goats. Is it? Yes, it's loading. We are in the goats list component. We are in the goats list component, so it's loading that. Cool. Let's go ahead and now. Oh, right, because I commented this out as well. So now it will work. Please? No. Shit. Man. Argument modules. I swear, one thing that I see is if it's only Angular 1.5 or ES6, the errors on here are unbelievably unhelpful. Fail to instantiate module app due to what? Instantiate module do instantiate module this, instantiate module this, instantiate module this, because the module is not a function. What the fudge? Because this needs to be like this. Oh, it actually told me here too. Oh no, I'm still completing. Module not found. Goats listing. Wait, why do we need the listing one? We only need the list item component. We don't need this one. That's okay. I guess that's my bad. Goat list item component. So that's my bad. But still, this happens to me a couple of times where it's just so unpredictable. I don't know what the heck it's saying. Like, at least tell me what's wrong. Alright, we got a goat. Sweet. We got ourselves a goat. That's cool. The goat does not have a picture, but it's a goat. Alrighty. I got you. I got you. It's working. Yay. Awesome. Good looking goat we get here after finishing displaying our goats. Cool. Our viewer seems to work, except one problem. Our goat photo is too big. We can fix this inside our goat on the CSS. We have no goat photo, actually. It's probably because it's expired. If we take a look at the goat service, right here, it's probably because the link doesn't work. I bet you that 100% that's what the problem is. Yeah, see, there's no, okay. Yeah. Yep. We can probably put in goat. No, I'm not gonna put in a goat image. All right, this is not the point of the thing. Okay, we're not gonna put a goat image yet. But you see what it seems like so far. We have our homepage. We have a create entry. So now we need to create the entry. How long have I been talking? 15 minutes. Oh my. So hopefully the create entry shouldn't be this difficult. Because we already know how this works, right? So we will start out with creating the component. This component called create. Okay, it's inside the pages folder. Inside here we have a goat create form. So inside the pages folder for the create, we have a goat create form. Great. So goat create form. Now we need to now we need to create a goat create form component. So let's do that. Oh, import the page module to the app.js folder as it before and change the app creator state route to create. Okay. I need to import that in here. So let's go ahead while we're at it. We have a component here. Let's do import create component from /pages/ create. I think it's create. That's what it's called. Create/create. Cool. And we need to tell app about this. So we need to do, here's the create component, you know, like here it is. Okay. Let's make sure nothing's broken. Nothing's broken. And we also need to tell about this. So this needs to be create. And this is going to look for the component called create, and it's going to load it based on this URL. So if we call this URL this /create URL, it's going to load it. Alrighty. Let's see if it actually works. It might work right away. There's no oh, not this one. There's no form, but yeah, I know this timed out. Does this create entry even link to this? Huh? Okay. So yeah. So this works. This doesn't work. I think it's because it's broken, but this works. There we go. Something probably put it wrong in the actual folder. Go create component form. Let's do this. We have the form ready. Let's just put in this in here, and I'm guessing we probably need to tell the goat create component about this as well. So blah blah blah. I think we put this in the component. Is that right? Or no? Containers. I'm still confused on what you put in the containers, what you put in the folders, but. And the form controller contains this. Got. That's fun. It's goat create. Man. See, this is what happens when you try to copy. You have to be very careful. That's why we got so many errors. And that's why we had so many goat. Let's make sure we don't have any errors so far. Yes, we do not have any errors. And we need to tell. Wait, so this has that, but don't we need to tell the goat? Okay, again, we need to tell goat the create page about the goat component. It doesn't really say in here, but we do need to do that. Let's go ahead and do that. Home.html. No, not home.html. We need to have this controller, controller, controller. Create. Beautiful. We have now comma. Import. We need to go up. We're gonna import goat create form component from. My house is freezing right now. And let's go up one level, another level. So one level to get to the pages, and then another level to go up to the app, and we are going to go into the component dash, no, containers, I'm sorry. Dash goat create form dash goat create form. Boom. We are going to goat create form component. Great. So we told this create page about the component. So now when this page tries to load the goat create form, it knows about the goat create form from here. This right here. This beauty right there. This beauty right there. Let's make sure. Oh, we do have errors. Damn it. We're not found. Containers. Goat create form. Goat create form. Damn it. So close. And yet so far. So we're in the goat create the HTML. Let's. So. JS folder, dash up to get to the pages folder, dash up to get to the containers folder, to get to the app folder. Then from there we go to the containers, containers. Then we do goat create form, damn it, it's all right. Goat create form pages create, maybe up one. No, that would not make sense. See, this would not work. This is not work. Definitely not going to work. Yeah. So I think what's happening here is the following. We just need to redo this. Up containers dash containers goat creator. Oops. It's goat creator form. I'm curious, how do people fit this in 20 minutes? Like, some people fit this in 20 minutes. I'm going at 58 minutes at this point. I'm almost done though. And that should work. Done. Let's reload this beauty. It's reloaded. Create. Ooh, yeah. We got ourselves a beautiful. And would actually work? I'm curious. So enter name, new goat name. That's not very creative of me, but I'm go with it. 56, because why not? This is a nice goat photo. Free photos. Because I have nothing else to input. Oh, this is not a goat, but we're gonna Let's copy image address. We're gonna put it in there. Enter photo here. Voila. Submit. The submit is not working, sir. Submit. It's not submitting. Man, like, this should work from the start. Do 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 do. Feeling like, ba da ba boo, do 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 do. Feeling like, ba da 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 do 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 do. Feeling like, okay. I think it's because. That's funny. We have a submit button. No, it's vm.add-goat. I bet you it's because there's no VM in here. Oh my god. Man, you should have just left it as is. What do we have it? Like this? VM. Is it just VM? I keep forgetting. It's VM with a string. See, we're learning. See, now I know what to look for when there's a problem like this. So then when you restart, this should work. So new name. I'm gonna call it Alice. D6. For URL, I'm gonna now copy this. Nice person. Nice person. Oh, nice goat. Submit. There we go. Alrighty, that's all cool. I think the only thing we need to fix is this. It's not a big deal. It's just the URL for this is wrong. So we take a look at this. Let's go ahead. App-create. See, this URL is different. So if we inspect the element for this one, huh? So yeah, this one is linking directly to app.create. Yep, and then that one linking to, oh, interesting. Yep, that's what it is. That's cool. Yeah, if you input this, voila, and you go into the home page. Let's do the home page. Welcome to the GoatLove homepage. Which page will list the listings? Ghost listing, I think, is the one. No. Components, ghost list. This page. Yeah. So we just need to do this. And there you go. Shref.create. And then if we change that now, create, voila. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we have finished our project. Don't worry about this. It's just trying to get the web page. Yes, I know. The reason why the new one that we created is not persistent, because this is not persistent. So whenever you reload the page, your data is gone. To make it persistent, you have to save in local storage, or you need to save in the database, depending. But for now, we saw how Angular 1.5 components works. We saw where the downsides. Well, I haven't seen the downside. The downsides, I guess, could be that for one, the errors are not very good. Not correct. Not that they're not correct, but the errors are very hard to understand. Don't tell a lot. They don't really say. So the errors don't really say a lot, and I feel like sometimes you can get mixed up on what you need to import. And really, to find you really need to be focused on where your bindings are coming from. And if you're dividing your app into many components, you have to keep track of those components. Make sure you're not they're not scattered around. And also, we need to make sure to get our structure right. So that's one of the most important things as well. But other than that, I like it so far. I'm going to be testing out more with Angular 1.5, and hopefully I can implement this project in a bigger project, maybe even at work. We'll see. But other than that, stay happy, developers. I'm back, and it is the end of our tutorial, Angular 1.5 components tutorial. We finished the dating app for goats application. Very interesting. But otherwise, obviously, this was mainly to see how the technology works, not to, to be something very useful. My goal is to take something this technology and to create something that is useful, that is valuable. So we'll see how that goes, and hopefully I can share this journey along with you guys. But other than that, I will have the link to the project in the description. It'll be a link to GitHub. So if you have any problems, if you had any problems, you can just use that as a resource. And if you're able to follow along, that's awesome. Let me know if you have any questions in the description or on Instagram or on Facebook at The Happy Developer. But other than that, subscribe, like, follow me on Instagram because I do a lot of cool things there. We do some dancing, we do some more coding, and some more dancing, and some more coding, and just a lot of cool stuff. And yeah. Oh no, check out this office. We recently built our basement, and this is going to be my office. We have ourselves a projector, a couple of tables over there, a couch. The projector is actually right there. There's a projector screen and a soundbar, and a beanbag somewhere over there. So that's gonna be very interesting. But other than that, I'm just gonna end it right there.